tracer wire. Everything is buried at least 18 to 20 inches. Got the riser, half-inch riser, coated with roof tar and insulated in PVC and spray foam. This is the Gasflex tubing with tracer wire. Buried very deep. Right here it's over 2 feet. You can see the tracer wire runs all the way back to the house. Just for purposes of keeping it in place, I've duct taped it. Once it's buried, it won't matter. This is what goes under the pool pump. Brass fittings into our riser. It's also insulated, and that's the proper 90s to the meter.